soon other like-minded countries are principally maritime, given the geography, Japan being an archipelagic nation and us. And in the aerial domain, it is reasonable, since there is no land border involved, to treat the area as one theater. That will involve synergy in operations, synergy in domain awareness, in intelligence exchange, and in mutually reinforcing our strengths uh, to work doubly real time. That is being operationalized now by the Japanese Joint Operations Command. Right now, the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces, but it may be the purview of the Strategic Command of the Armed Forces in the future, and the US Indo-PACOM, plus the Australian Self-Defense Force. So the operationalization will be on the military end. And the first product of this will be the Combined Coordinating Center, which will come up this December. And the RAA with Japan will increase the level of interoperability that we can have for mutual resilience and other beneficial activities, not only individually but multilaterally to us. So it is already an operating concept. It does not need any other agreement. It is a military construct and an operating concept which has been approved by the different military hierarchies concerned.